Okay, anong pwede mo nang i-share bilang Aurora Quezon?
Napakasaya ko kasi syempre, I don't know if you watched Tas Larawan, isang musikal, si Jericho and I were partners there. And parang bitin yung run, so it would have been nice to have a rerun, which we tried to do, pero hindi siya natuloy. So siguro yung continuation ng pagtatambal namin na makalumang tao ay matutuloy dito sa Quezon. So I'll be playing First Lady Aurora Quezon. So kaya nakaganito na ako mga first, mga trying to get into the role. We've been doing some classes in preparation for the movie. So we'll be shooting very, very soon. Yes, a lot. And nakakatuwa kasi when I was in Singapore, nakita ko yung sa library na yung libro about Aurora Quezon mismo. So, ang dami-daming photos. And one of the biggest revelations would be is she was in the same spaces as me. So, I don't know if you're aware. So, I've been a volunteer of White Cross Children's Home for very, very long time. Kasi taga San Juan ang papa ko. Nakapunta ka na sa bahay namin. So, I've been serving there ever since my best friend Marianne's debut. So, 18 years old kami nung una ako nandun. And I did a podcast episode there recently. So, I was looking at the files and kung saan ako nag-spill, doon si Aurora Quezon, kasama yung mga bata. Meron siyang photograph there. So, sabi ko, ano kayang meaning? And then, syempre, meron din siyang photo sa harap ng building ng White Cross. And I always tell people, kahit mahirap na dalhin lahat ng tao, ng volunteers at ng kids doon, dapat doon ang photo. And that's also where she has a photo of herself planting the Aurora Quezon plant. Meron din siyang bulaklak na nakapangalan sa kanya. So, a lot of these things are making it parang meant to be ba ito? Parang gano'n. Di ba minsan, ayaw mo maniwala sa destiny, pero pwede pala siya mangyari kahit sa role. So it's been very, very, may iba siyang dalang feelings. And I don't know if you've ever been to QI, Quezon Institute. So another parang group that I've been helping for a long time, thanks to Tita Mel Tiangco of Kapuso Foundation, is Child House. And they used to be situated in QI. So